What's going on? Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal a free ads loophole that will allow you to bank $4,500 or more per month. Now, if you're excited to learn this, be sure to smash the like button to let me know. And without further ado, I want to break this down step by simple step. So by the end of the video, you can go out there and start to make money, even if you're brand new, even if you don't have any tech skills, or even if you don't have a following or audience online. So let's go ahead and dive in right now. Okay, my friends, so the very first step is we need to find a product to promote. So when people buy that product through our link, we'll be able to get credit for that sale, and we'll be able to start making thousands of dollars very easily. Now, the first step is to go to a site like Clickbank. You can actually promote any product you want, but we're going to use clickbank.com. Okay, so just go there. Now, the first step is to register for a free account if you don't have one. It's very simple. You just click start here, and then it's going to take you through a few different questions. You just go through, and then very simply within 5 minutes, you'll have your own Clickbank account. Now, once you have an account, you want to actually log into your back office, and you want to go to this top tab and click Marketplace, because this is going to list down all these different categories of products that we can actually find to promote. So they have business and investing, education, health and fitness. Okay, now for the sake of this video, we're going to be promoting products in the e-business and e-marketing category. Okay, this is more like the make money online. I know a lot of people on my audience, they're in that niche. So I want to cater this to you guys so you can get out there and start making the money you want. Now on Clickbank, you want to sort results by gravity. Now a lot of people ask me, Garrett, what is gravity? Basically what it is, it's a average of how many other affiliates within the week have been able to also make money promoting that product. So the higher the gravity score, and you can see it right here, the higher the gravity score, the better it is. Okay, now some people think, oh, I don't want to promote a product that other people are selling, but competition is actually good. That tells you that there's money with this product. So this one is good. Another thing you want to consider on Clickbank is the initial dollar per conversion. So this is how much money, on average, are you going to make per sale? So this is $22. Anything above $25 is pretty good. Okay, so you can see this one, it's 99, gravity score 25. Okay, so let's just look down a little bit. Okay, so this one is 80. You can also see the average dollar per conversion over here. Okay, this one's good, but this one's actually pretty darn good. Okay, so you can see gravity score is 63. I like to look at anything above about a 25 as well with the gravity score. That's a pretty good product. And then the average dollar per conversion is 118. Okay, so if you just get one sale, you're already making over $100, which is pretty darn good. Now, once you find a good product to promote, you just want to click this promote button, and you want to make sure your account nickname's there, and you just want to click create hop link. Okay, now we want to copy right here the link at the bottom. This is our affiliate link. Okay, so when someone goes to that link, they're going to get redirected to the sales page. Okay, I'll share with you what that looks like with this product. So it looks like this. Okay, there's a sales video right here. And then if they put in their email address, etc., and they submit, and if they actually go with the action, which in this case will probably be buying a product, you will actually get money. You will get credit, and it will deposit into your bank account, or you can get a check with Clickbank. Now, once we have our link, the next step we want to do is we want to go to a little known website called Worldprofit.com. Now, this site has actually been online since 1994, and a lot of people don't know about it. What you want to do is you want to go to worldprofit.com, and you want to click join our free membership. Now, once you do that, you're going to be able to fill out a very simple form to create a free account inside Worldprofit. Now, it's actually totally free. They do have paid plans and things like that, but it's not necessary. So what we want to do is we want to go here, and you want to actually look at a specific tab. Okay, so once you're in your back office, there's a lot of different links, a lot of different buttons, but you don't want to look at any of this. All we want to do is we want to go to the main menu on the left, and we want to click free classified ads, and then it has a drop down, place ads free. Now, once you click that, it's going to take you to this page here. Now, this page, it has tons of these different categories. Now, like I said in the beginning of the video, what we're going to be able to do is literally use this little known site to post an ad for free and potentially get in front of thousands of people. And then we're going to be able to direct them to our affiliate link and start to make sales. Now, bear with me because you're not going to even have to create the ad yourself. So what we want to do is we want to click this post ad button at the top right, and this is going to take us to this page here. So it says right here, your ad will run for 7 days and can be renewed using credits. But 7 days is fine. A week is more than enough time to get massive amount of people to go to our link. So they have a title. This is the title of our ad, which when it's listed, that's what's really going to get people to want to click our ad specifically. So we want to make this title compelling, and we want to put in the ad content, which we also want to make very compelling, very curiosity building, so people want to know more information. And then we put in our URL. Now, first off, I'll go ahead and paste the URL. Okay, that's our affiliate link. Okay, that's the link that we want people to go to. Now, you may be wondering, Garrett, I don't know how to write a title for an ad. I don't, know how to write an ad content. Well, because you're watching this video as a free gift to you, I've actually created a page, a website that has tons of different headlines, titles, and ad content you can literally copy and paste and use. I'm going to include a link directly below. It's going to take you to this page here. Now, I even have a few links to other classified ad websites that you can use to post more free ads to get massive traffic. But here's copy paste ads to post. So here's the headline. So all we want to do is we just want to choose one of these. Okay, I can even start with the first one. Copy that, go back here, and then post that in as the title. Then we go back here, scroll down, and then choose one of these ad bodies. Okay, so for example, this one. And I just go back here and I just post. You can see how powerful this is. If you're liking this video, be sure to smash the like button. Otherwise, I won't know that you want me to make more videos just like this, okay? Because I haven't even scratched the surface. So once you do that, all you have to do is go down here and you want to choose up to 2 categories. So I recommend you choose with this specific product, business opportunities, and you could even do, make money now, because that's what this product has to do with. Now, if you're promoting a different type of product, okay, you want to choose what category it's in, because that ad will show up under that category and then people will see it. And then again, because these ads are proven, okay, I've only included proven ads right here that I've worked, you will start to get tons of visitors to this ad, and then a lot of people will click the link. And because this has a high gravity score, a lot of people are buying this. We know that we can make tons and tons of sales as well. And then all you have to do is click post ad and your ad will post. Now it's posted and you will start to get tons and tons of traffic, visitors, and sales. I really hope you enjoyed this. Last but not least, click the link, that first link below. That's going to take you to a free training. If you want to learn how to really scale affiliate marketing and dominate it and go even further, you're going to see a free training video on my #1 recommended training program to really master affiliate marketing. This can pay you for years. I know many of my own students, they've quit their job. They've started making $10,000 or more per month, and it's absolutely incredible. And a lot of it is thanks to that training program at the first link below. Also, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon so you're always notified on my latest videos. And until next time, my friend, I hope you got value, and I will see you on my next video.